Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change the background of a video without using green screen on CapCut. So if you haven't tried this feature yet, I have to tell you that you don't have to use green screen when you want to remove the background of a video. So basically what you need to do is just add your clip to CapCut. Click on the clip and find the cutout option, this one, and here click on remove background. If you are using the CapCut PC, you can easily use the AutoCAD, so it's basically the same. So just like that, the background will be removed. And if you want to change it with another background, you can just go to canvas. So go back, find these canvas options at the end of the menu, then here click on background, and you can add your own background from your library, or you can also use the existing background option from the CapCut. Example, this one. Click on the check icon and you are done. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks below. Thank you.